Wow. Okay, here's where that weird bridge was. It was, I think it was made out of wood? Okay. Well, it was practice for going across the rock run. Woohoo! That was freak. Oh, nope, don't celebrate yet! Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Let's see what they've done here. Looks like they're trying to force people to just do one route. Ooh, this is a mess. Wow. Yeah. Okay, there used to be a trail here. They put a stop to that. Really, I kind of wonder, once it's done, what difference does it make? But I'm not running the show, so we'll go on the trail they tell us to go on. Okay, I did a walkabout in the construction zone here, and I think I know where the trail actually goes, and since they've got it all torn up, it's extremely slick mud, so this is going to be interesting. Let's go, Blue. Whoa. Turn around. Turn. Oh! Short legs! Oh, that was close.